Alright, so I don't know, you can't really see me that well. I'll come over here for a little bit in the light over by my car. But so we just got back from family video, and it's a freaking light show. Like, look at this. These are all lightning strikes, and it's just all over. Look at this, just all over the place. Got them over there. Got them over like behind the building. It's just nuts. It's just nuts. It's crazy. That's what it is. It's crazy. So yes, I don't know what's going on, but it's nuts. So I don't know. Well, wait, when I get inside, well, first thing I'm gonna do is go take a piss, because I've had to piss like a racehorse. Yeah, turning on the news is definitely gonna be what's going down. So I'm actually kind of curious. It's really nice and warm though. It's warm, so that's not, I mean, too bad, but that could be worse.
Well, that was the virus for tornado. That went off twice. We had my winds blowing through, but now we're getting all this. So all this is kind of going all the way around us. Over there,
It's got his flip.
Must have been like 30 degrees cooler out there. Now all of a sudden we're getting this light show. They said lightning hit a telephone pole up in Appleton on Richmond Street and caught it on fire. That's not too far from here. I've been there.
So
That was wild, man.
but as you can see, we're having extreme lightning. So, and we're actually dual vlogging right now.
Yep.
Tim's got his flip out, and I got.
Yeah, it's hard to see, but yeah, he's there.
So, but this will be chopped into my other one that I have. This won't be anything new. Come and join the party.
oh, this isn't a fun party.
It's fun for us.
Oh.
I love weather. The only lines I'm seeing are the lightning bolts.
Yeah.
It's pretty badass. Ooh, that was a good one. Yeah. I like this cloud over here. It's like shooting out from behind this cloud. Yeah, like what's up here? Anything? Ooh, that was a nice chunk of thunder.
I'm afraid of what I'm missing out in front of me.
Yeah, I know. It's like coming out from behind like this cloud here. It looks, I don't know, like hopefully I'll like get a still. Ooh. Wow. That's so awesome. Ooh, that was nice bright. Seriously though, like this is nuts. It's nuts! It's crazy. Crazy good. Ooh. I just can't get enough of that, like, morphing cloud.
Oh, now it's not just not carbuncle anymore. It's like
it's like all configured now.
it was stay bright long enough for me to look at it. There we go. Oh, that was.
Oh wow, yeah.
That looks like the 16th Colossus now. Yeah.
Have you guys heard anything about a tornado yet?
No, we were down by the lake and it was pretty windy, but now the wind seems to have died down and it's just lightning storm.
Okay.
Have you tried the news?
No, I don't have cable or basic channel. So
Oh.
That's what I'm worried about. Is if something is going to hit us, I'm not happy about it.
Yeah.
I still turn it on. We got it.
Yeah, we got cable at our house. And as you can see, people are like lining down the row at the apartments in awe of the...
We all want to get the most video. There's people down there, there's a door down there actually.
Oh yeah.
Like, and you can see down there, it's like, wow.
Dude, I'm excited.
Yeah, I know, me too.
I'm not gonna lie, I love bad weather.
Yeah.
I'm an ex-geologist. This stuff rocks my socks. Oh, I will. Trust me, I'll probably be out here later running around in it. Oh, dude, I would be on that in a heartbeat. I'd say hi to the Wicked Witch of the West and then put her down.
Tell Dorothy I'll be home later.
Yeah. I'll be sure to send her a message. The guy down there in the car. He's leaving. Oh. I got like 5 minutes of solid lightning going on right now.
I don't know when to stop.
I'll just put it on the roof and come back when my tape's done. I only got 17 minutes left, but I could stand out here and just get... I'm hot though. I'm gonna put my camera here. Don't fall. Ugh.
This is ridiculous.
I know. It's crazy.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Do you want to throw my sweater in there? So I'm just hanging out here with a cute girl.
Do you live here?
Yeah.
Do you?
60, so. So yeah, this is the cute girl in the lightning.
I am so terrified.
You'll be fine. The chances of getting struck by lightning are only slightly higher than finding a shiny Pokemon. I just thought I'd throw that out there. I didn't know if you get the reference or not.
Yeah, I do.
Are you a Pokemon person or no?
I used to be upset.
Yeah. It's nothing like 1 in 8,126. So. There's the horizon. And it's all cloud covers. There's no open space out there. It's just all cloud coverage. Actually, I kind of want to stop the video for a second and take a picture, so I'll be right back, guys. Alright, so I'm back. The pictures didn't turn out that well, so I won't post any, but I could find a picture on the internet and post a cool still frame of some lightning.
Tornado warning is back for southern Allegheny and northern Winnebago. That's like right where we are.
Yeah, we're literally right on the border.
8:30.
Here it is. Come on. Oh,
Whoa,
dude,
whoa,
whoa, whoa. That lightning, it looks like it's funneling out there. Can you guys see that in the lightning?
There's no way there's gonna be well. That's too high up, but it is funneling.
That's pretty high. I don't know. We need another flash like on the far left.
Wow.
I mean, I'm seeing it on the camera, but I don't know. Because if you look at the clouds, you can see the clouds are all like gravitating towards. If I move really slow, you can see it. Yeah, it's going over. The clouds are gravitating this way towards the point over here. I don't know if there's any clouds out here that can flash that I'll see. Maybe. Come on. So yeah. But they're definitely going down. I'm gonna walk down this way. Is it looking any different out here?
No, not really.
This isn't as exciting. Plus over there's a cute girl. Just fart. So yeah, Well, I only got about 10 minutes of tape left, so I'll catch you guys if something interesting starts happening.